Okay, why we need repairing project in Nepal, wheelchair repairing project in Nepal. So today I will show you the condition, how can people survive with this wheelchair. I would like to explain little bit. We can imagine how they do their mobility because of the condition and situation of the wheelchair, and maybe everyone can understand why CDCA is working for a wheelchair repairing project in Nepal, because of those kind of problem and condition. We can see it. Look, there's a two wheels. There's a two different size. One wheels is 4 inch and other wheels is a 8 inch. We can be understand. Look, and this is the situation why I'm working in this sector, because of people. This is the condition. You can see the tire. This is banded by the cycle tube. This is the really, so that's why we need your support for the wheelchair repairing project in Nepal. And basically we don't have any manufacturer, and we don't find it any parts about this wheelchair. So thank you so much. Please, we would like to request, share with your friend and your this project is very important. Thank you so much, Dendi Shopo.